In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho CRM with QuickBooks. Whether you're just getting started with these tools or looking to streamline your business operations, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring a seamless connection between these two powerful platforms. First, let's begin by heading over to the Zoho CRM marketplace. Once you're logged into your Zoho CRM dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen and find the wrench icon, symbolizing the settings area, also known as the setup section. Click on this icon to open up a multitude of options at your disposal. Within this setup, you will notice a section dedicated to the marketplace. Click on the All option there, which will present you with an extensive list of extensions and applications designed to enhance and expand your CRM's capabilities. Now it's time to search for QuickBooks. You can use the search bar provided to quickly find what you're looking for. Simply type in QuickBooks, and from the search results, select QuickBooks Integration for Zoho CRM. This extension is specifically crafted to marry the unique features of both Zoho CRM and QuickBooks, offering you a cohesive and integrated experience for managing your business finances and customer relationships all in one place. Next, we move on to the installation of this handy QuickBooks extension. There will be an Install button displayed prominently. Click on it to begin the installation process. During this stage, you'll be prompted to make decisions regarding which users or roles within your organization can access this integration. This is a crucial step as it helps maintain necessary security and ensures that only authorized personnel can access confidential financial and customer data through Zoho CRM. Once you've made your selections, click on Continue to proceed with setting things up. The final step involves connecting to your QuickBooks account. After clicking Continue, you'll be redirected to a page where you'll need to authorize the integration between Zoho CRM and Intuit QuickBooks. This is where the magic happens as you build the bridge connecting these dynamic platforms. Log into your QuickBooks online account using your credentials. This login process authenticates the integration and is essential for enabling the flow of data between the two systems. After successfully logging in, you'll be presented with permission requests. It's important to review these carefully and then grant Zoho CRM permission to access your necessary QuickBooks data. And there you have it, a streamlined, efficient integration of Zoho CRM with QuickBooks that can significantly enhance how you manage your business operations. This setup facilitates automatic data exchange and helps keep your teams aligned on customer information and financial insights. Thanks for watching, and here's to optimizing your workflows with Zoho and QuickBooks.